Hello and thank you for joining me. My name is Priscilla Romero and I am an independent sensing consultant. In this video I want to share with you the Glamour collection that was available, and I'm just looking on my iPad or my phone. It was available on August 16th, and I have the warmer and the two buddies and the Glamour U wax scent collection. There's 5 of them. So I picked up all of these when it was available on the 16th. So I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you. So the warmer I'm going to show you first is Glamour Time Warmer. It's $55. It's Glided leaves glow across a golden backdrop in a bold display of glitz and glimmer. So again, it's $55, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It comes with a white light bulb that's 25 watt, so you can change the colors because Scentsy has 15, 20, and 25 watt color light bulbs. So, but you always get a white one with your warmer when you purchase it. So this is what it looks like when it's not on. And this is like a gold. To me, it's like a gold leaf design. It's got flowers, you know, the little design. It's really cute. It's pretty heavy, so that's nice, and it'll just sit right on the counter. And Scentsy has the groove there for your cord. So just wanted to show you. I already put in the 25 watt. For the dish, on your dishes it tells you how many cubes you can put in the dish. So this one is no more than 4 cubes. And when I say cubes, I mean, you know, your Scentsy bar, no more than 4 cubes. No more than 4. I usually use a couple. That's enough for my area. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Let's see. Now, you usually can't tell when it's far away, so, I mean, I'll show you what it looks like far away, but you usually can't tell that well. So I'm going to bring it closer to you so you can see what it looks like. Hopefully you can see this. It's very pretty. The wall is really pretty. The wall, the cabinets, the table, the design from the warmer is on the surfaces. And you can tell when the light is on, you can see like little cracked decorations. That's why it reminds me of gold leafing. I don't know if you guys know about gold leafing, but I used to do it. It's really cool. It's real pretty. And gosh, I haven't done it in years. Years. So, let me just go ahead and put in, let's put an orange light bulb in because I don't use orange that often. So let's go ahead and do orange. And I'm going to go ahead and take this clear one out. It's a little too hot. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in a different room. I have my Scentsy behind me. I have my computers here because I do work during the day at my other job here in the office. So I have my computers. Everything else is all Scentsy in here. So I've been working really hard getting my Scentsy room together. The cabinets are purple and white. I have a purple little dresser in here that was spray paint purple to match the cabinets up there, the pegboards. So it's the same purple. It's just pretty in here. It is pretty. So I'm no longer in the kitchen area like I was before. So that's good. It's taken a couple weeks to get all this put together. So I'm going to turn this on. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so far away, I don't think you can see that much. I'm going to move it closer to you. Isn't that pretty? This is the orange. I would think that the orange would look the best in this one, but again, it's whatever you know, your own preference. I'm going to turn this light off over here. Let's see if you can see it better. It's very pretty. So this is Glamour, and it's $55. It is still available, and I will put the links down below, my contact links. You can locate me on Pinterest and Instagram Of course, Facebook. I have my VIP group in Facebook. Please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. Make sure the bell is grayed out so that you get notice of when I do post another video. I've been posting every 4 days. I may up that to every 3 days. I'm still working on things here. So, but yeah, please make sure that bell is grayed so you can get notice. And basically that's all. I just wanted to split this video up because I got other products I want to talk to you about from the Glamour collection. So thank you everybody for taking time out of your day to watch my videos, and thank you for all your support and your nice comments. Bye bye, take care.